Hello, my name is Wyatt Kinney, and I am the Asia Pacific Regional Analyst for the Everbridge Global Insights team. A magnitude 7.1 earthquake struck southern Japan today, centered in Kumamoto Prefecture on the island of Kyushu. A tsunami advisory was issued briefly before being lifted after no significant wave activity was detected. Authorities also reported no abnormalities at nearby nuclear facilities. The earthquake caused structural damage, at least 50 reported injuries, although that number can change due to reporting, and widespread disruption across the region. Local reporting indicates an explosion at a nearby mall in Kumamoto Prefecture, where a partial collapse was reported and emergency responders remain on scene. Additional impacts include damages to roads and buildings, localized fires, and a derailed train in Yatsushiro. Rail services and airport operations were suspended while safety inspections continue. Also, power outages are affecting tens of thousands. Response efforts remain ongoing. Approximately 300,000 people have been instructed to move to evacuation centers. Fire services, Coast Guard, and self-defense force personnel have been deployed to support rescue operations as multiple people remain missing. Authorities continue to assess damage while responding to persistent aftershocks across Kyushu. From a business continuity perspective, the primary concern is disruption to transportation, logistics, and manufacturing. Kyushu is a major hub for advanced manufacturing, automotive production, and semiconductor supply chains. Interruptions to rail, road, air transport, and utilities may delay production, freight movement, employee mobility, and time-sensitive deliveries throughout the region. The near-term outlook remains focused on aftershock activity and the pace of infrastructure restoration. Additional seismic activity may slow rescue operations, prolong transport disruptions, and extend inspections of buildings, utilities, and critical infrastructure. The next several days will likely be defined by damage assessments and gradual restoration efforts. For organizations with personnel, facilities, or suppliers in Kyushu, the immediate priorities are maintaining employee accountability, monitoring transportation and infrastructure updates, and verifying supplier status and understanding how long it could possibly take for safe movement until normal operations resume. While the full extent of the damage is still being assessed, the coming days will provide a clearer picture of the operational and supply chain impacts across Kyushu. We will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as more information becomes available. Thank you for watching.